dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello, kids. I'm so happy to see you again. Did you miss me? Because I missed you a lot. Today is a very special day. Kingsday in the Chess Kingdom.
Hello, dear children. It's wonderful to see you. Today we'll tell you all about ourselves. Let's start with me. In chess, I can move one square in any direction, forward, backward, left, right, or even diagonally. But always just one step. Look, children, this is how I move. Just one little step. Forward or backward. Just like this. To the right or to the left. Just like this. I can also move diagonally, but only one square too. Just like this. One small step. And remember, kids, a king can't jump over other pieces, but he can capture a piece next to him. Watch this! Here's how I can capture another piece. Just like this, one step, and I take it. Remember, kids, no chess piece can capture the king. I can't be taken. But I must be careful, because everyone wants to checkmate me. And then the game is over. I'm not the strongest piece. That's the queen. But I'm the most important one on the board. Now let's invite the Black King. Let's ask him to tell us all about himself too. Hello, kids. Now it's my turn to tell you about me, the Black King. Just like the White King, I can move one square at a time. I can go forward, backward, left, or right, like this. And I can also move diagonally, but only one square too. Watch this. One step this way and one step that way. Look closely in just one step. And yes, I can capture a piece that's right next to me. Let me show you. Like this. See, I take the piece and stand in its place. But remember, kids, no chess piece can capture the king. I can't be taken, but I must be very careful because if someone gives me checkmate, the game is over. So I stay safe and strong. Oh, and kids! We almost forgot something very important. A king can't move next to the other king. We never stand side by side. We must always stay at least one square apart. Let us show you how this works. Watch closely. This is how two kings stay apart on the board. We never stand next to each other, not even for a moment. Just like this. See? One square of space between us. Always. That's the rule. Kings must keep their distance. So remember, no getting too close to the other king. Well done, kids! Today you learned all about kings and why it's so important to protect the king. You worked hard today, so we have a surprise! We're inviting you on our Royal Jungle adventure. It's going to be fun. Let's go together.
our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet, a happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.